Here is another question on partial fraction. And this question we are to use comparing the coefficient to decompose this algebraic fraction. So without wasting time, let's proceed. So the compound fraction is 7x minus 1 divided by 3x minus 1 or 2x plus 3. All right, check the nature of the denominator. If you check the nature of this denominator, you will discover that it is a linear factor because the power of x, the highest power of x here is what? 1. So in that case, this contraction can be expressed as what? A divided by 3x minus 1 plus b divided by 2x plus 3. So these are the two partial fractions that we can express this. All right, so the next thing is we are going to multiply each of the terms, both on the left and right hand side, by what? The LCM. The LCM is 3x minus 1, 2x plus 1. Of course, when you multiply this by the LCM, you have 7x minus 1, because the LCM will cancel out the denominator. So when you multiply the LCM by this, you're also going to have a into 2x plus 3. Why? Because 3x minus 1 will cancel out 3x minus 1. So let's proceed. We have b into, so when you multiply b by the LCM, 2x plus 3 will cancel out 2x plus 3 minus 1. So since I am to use comparing the coefficient method, so I will open the brackets. So this becomes 7x minus 1 is equals to a multiplied by 2x will give 2ax, a multiplied by 3, 3a, b multiplied by 3x, 3bx, b multiplied by 1b. I want you to pay attention. So the next thing you will do is you combine the terms that have x. So this will still become 7x minus 1 is equals to 2ax plus 3bx, then the constant terms as 3a minus b. Do you understand? Okay, good. So this will be 7x minus 1 is equals to, so you factorize this. So this becomes what? 2a plus 3b into x, and plus this will still be 3a minus b. So comparing coefficients now, comparing coefficients. So what is the coefficient of x here? Here is 7 and here is 2a plus 3b. This will give equation 1, right? So let's compare the what? Constants. You have minus 1 will be equals to 3a minus b, and this will be what? Equation 2, right? You can use any method of simultaneous equation to solve, either by uh, elimination method or by substitution method. So I'm going to use a substitution method, using substitution method, right? So from equation 2, I'm going to use equation 2. From equation 2, you discover that b will be equals to 3a plus 1. You call it equation 3. So I'm going to substitute equation b into equation 1. So equation 1 is 7 is equal to 2a plus 3. But instead of writing b, I'll substitute it as what? 3a plus 1. So I have 7 is equals to 2a plus 3 times 3a, you get what? 9a plus 3 times 1, 3. So let's combine. So you bring 3 here. 7 minus 3, you get 4. 2a plus 9a, you get 11a. So therefore, a is equals to 4 divided by 11. So this is the value for a. Now, the next thing is you also find the value for b. So how do you find the value for b? So just put a into, I think it's equation 3. Yes, into equation 3. And equation 3 is b equals 3. Now a becomes 4 upon 11 plus 1. Right? So b is equal to, this will become 12 over 11 plus 1. So when you find the LCM, this becomes 11 divided by 11, that is 12 plus 11. So B equals to, that is 23 divided by 11. So that means A is 4 over 11 and B is 23 over 11. Now, what is the next step? I'm going to express it as what? Partial fraction. So you have 7x minus 1 divided by 3x minus 1, 2x plus 3. Now, to express it as a partial fraction, don't forget the value of A is what? 4 divided by 11 and divided by 3x minus 1 plus the value for B is 23 over 11 divided by 2x plus 3. Of course, you can further write it as 4 divided by 11 into 3x minus 1 plus 23 divided by 11 into what? 2x plus 3. This is our partial fraction. So when you combine these two partial fractions together, you still get this compound fraction. Of course, you can also write this answer as if you factorize, you have 1 upon 11 into, here will now be 4 over 3x minus 1. If you like, you can just stay here, or you can further write like this. That's 23 over 2x plus 3. So we have been able to use cover up method to express this fraction as what? Partial fraction. Thanks for following. Thanks for liking my page, and I would like you to also share this video to other students. Bye.